Most eukaryotic genes are controlled individually and have more complex regulatory sequences than those of the lac repressor system. The TATA box is a short region of DNA, about 25 or 30 base pairs before the start of a gene sequence, TATATA or TATAAA. The TATA box binds proteins that helps position RNA polymerase by making a point just before the beginning of a gene. Gene expression in eukaryotic cells can be regulated at a number of levels. One of the most critical is the level of transcription, by means of DNA binding proteins known as transcription factors. By binding DNA sequences in the regulatory regions of eukaryotic genes, transcription factors control the expression of these genes. Promoters have multiple binding sites for transcription factors, each of which influence transcription. Receptor complexes act as transcription factors that bind to DNA, allowing a single chemical signal to activate multiple genes. Cell specialization requires genetic specialization. Yet all the cells in a multicellular organism carry the same genetic code in their nucleus. Biologists have proven that after the RNA molecules are produced by transcription, the small interfering RNA molecules fold into double-stranded hairpin loops. An enzyme called the dicer enzyme cuts or dices these double-stranded loops into microRNA, each about 20 base pairs long. Then, after the two strands separate, one of the microRNA pieces attaches to a cluster of proteins that form what is known as a silencing complex. This process binds to and destroys any mRNA containing a sequence that is complementary to that microRNA. Thus, microRNA sticks to certain mRNA molecules and stops them from passing on their protein-making instructions. Blocking gene expressions by means of a microRNA silencing complex is known as RNA interference. The discovery of RNA interference has made it possible for researchers to switch genes on and off at will, simply by inserting double-stranded RNA into cells. RNA interference technology also holds the promise of allowing medical scientists to turn off the expression of genes from viruses and cancer cells, and it may provide new ways to treat and perhaps even cure diseases.
Hey, wait a minute, just a minute, I was ready for the flight.